Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett and today is June 8th, 2019. We are on the Fine Arts Phase 2 construction project. This is our 7th video of this series and we'll be taking you through progress since our last update.
We'll begin our update with our aerial photography. So much has happened. So much has been added since our last update. We're over the rework to the F8 steam vault. We talked about this the last time. Graduation completed 1 week on the campus-wide steam shutdown and a successful tie-in at 3 separate locations for a temporary steam line to support the campus while this F8 steam vault gets replaced. We'll take you boots on the ground to show you that. The mason has been killing the job, doing fantastic. He's got just this north elevation left over through here. The temporary steam lines were moved to the tunnel on the right-hand side. They were able to backfill this area right in through here. We're looking down to the scene shop when the masons completed this clear span steel that you see right through here on the paint shop will be installed. All the intermediate framing for the roofing will be installed. And finally, as we pass to the south area, more steam lines are being replaced. We'll now fly back in the opposite direction. Our second big add to the project is a new roofing system for art history. The white boxes up on the top are the new material. The roofs will be stripped and installed. The next time we come out, they'll be complete. The right-hand side, our decking is in place over our new corridor V columns. Great upgrades on the steel, the clear span across our first paint shop bay through here, elevators and stair towers completed right through here. The costume shop to the right-hand side is ready for 3-4 rooms of metal studs in the future. We're now going to take a broader view of the project complete. Again, starting on the north entrance through here, we're flying circular from the center of the building. Again, the mason, once they finish this wall, they have just a little bit to finish on the north elevation. The loading dock, the retaining walls, one of the first finishes we're going to show you closely, has been installed through and through here. And again, as we fly over art history, we talked about the roofing system that's going to go on in here, and then additional work on the south panels that you see there, and the north panels where the old watered heating system was installed. We fly around. The second add right in through here is our steam line we talked about on the south. And now as we go near drama music, we need to start talking about our third add, and that was the exterior upgrades. New windows. This elevation right here, they began right after graduation and was completed right in through here. This is building C, this section here. It's hard to tell that they were even replaced. As we spin around, again, I want to focus here on our corridor where you see our green AVB, our vapor barrier system. So the glazing in this section has started to go in, and that's going to bring light into this corridor right in through here. The costume shop, we talked about it, a little bit different view. It's a great space on the second floor. That's right in front of us right there, right behind these 3 windows in this section right in through here. And again, there's 4 rooms in through there that get built with drywall later on. There'll be a fitting room, laundry room, manager's room, costume room. Fantastic. Finally, as where we started, we swing back around to the front. Really important for the project that the grading is completed in this section right in through here. The entrance canopy steel was completed right in this area. Fantastic.
North elevation, our feature elevation. Great progress since last month. We talked about it in the overhead. Most importantly, our tunnel, this north end, is closed, backfilled. The temporary steam line's been removed. The masons are working on the corner right in through this section, turning the corner. That's fantastic. There's some masonry that comes across here. This is our feature stairway right in this section in here. Will be awesome to be able to get a start on that. We slide over more here to the east. It's going to be our main entrance in through here, through that fantastic corridor. We're going to take you and show you that in just a short section. Handicap ramp all set to go. Let's check our corridor that we talk about all the time in through here. The mechanicals had a chance to get started in this section right in through here. The decking is on over the top. It won't be long before this section is watertight. They were building these stairs the last time we were in through here. The ramp is complete up. Remember, the north side is much lower. We're climbing up the hill. Think about when you drive up 95, and that's what all these steps, changes of elevations, happening through here. Big progress. Some of the miscellaneous steel has happened since the last time we were in here. We talked about the granite benches. They're all formed up. The concrete's in place. The granite goes on top of that. The V columns completed through this section right in through here. Remember, they had to come in pieces because they couldn't get them in. Right, the mechanicals are getting a start up and through here. Our framing on the existing structure and through here has started. So big progress in this area right through here. I'm going to turn around quickly here. Remember, this is feature to the project. This is our tie-ins. This is the access for the students. This is the north-south corridor. We're now going to turn to the east-west, right on the side of the loading dock. So this makes the whole drama music building accessible in through here. Off the corridor, our elevator right through here, our stairs that come up right over here, our lighting shop in through here, progress in the ductwork going on. The first of our two high bay areas in through here, our paint shop in through here. All right, we have some of the steel installed. Look at how tall that is. It's almost 3 stories high in through here. What we call clear span, no columns in the middle. The beams come all the way across through here. All right, you see the intermediate framing in through here. Nice. So the last time we were here, this wall wasn't built. We talked a lot about this party wall, this intermediate wall right in through here being key. The second high bay area here, the scene shop, looks right to the main entrance. We started off showing you the north elevation right in through here. This will have the similar type of steel framing. You see the supports, right? This is what we call masonry bearing for the structural steel. That'll be clear span across in through here too. Let's move up to our second floor. Again, great opportunity. We got a temporary stair in the elevator shaft in through here. On the overhead, we talked about it. You know, the intermediate framing and the structural steel has been installed. This is the storage area. This was an alternate on our documents back in through here. The columns come up. This is ready for roof decking on in through here. Big second floor space in through here. That's our actual stair tower in through here. That will get built shortly. This is open to the area down below in through here. There'll be a handrail in this space right in through here. We'll continue down the corridor in this space over and through here to our feature area. We get a chance to peek back in through here. Close-up view of our V or Y columns in through here. Specialty acoustical deck up on the top. Right in through here. Roofing system will go right on the top through there. We can see some of the glazing's been installed up on top for the light to come in through this area right in through here. Center of our loading dock are the 2 big access ports to be able to bring materials in and out from our production facility in through here. We can see the winged retaining wall in through here. The ramp area has been just rubbed. One of our first finishes we'll get a chance to look at through here. The lighting has been installed. It's just the caps that go on there, the covers that go on there. Nice rub job on here, a sand cement mix that goes on the foundation in through here. Boots on the ground. Here we are at Steam Vault F8. We talked about it in the overhead. Pretty unique process we have here because we have to keep steam live, as I mentioned. So we have 3 temporary, what you would call kind of junction box areas. So the primary steam from our central utility plant comes into Vault A, and we have a temporary bypass because we need to keep the steam line on for Shippey. All right, this is actually C over here. This is the temporary line that goes over to C. This is the F8 vault right in the middle. This gets demoed out, and we build our new F8 vault right in the middle here. And then this, so that's A, this is B. Again, the temporary line that comes over, and it keeps South Campus going on right in through here. So these junction boxes work for two ways. They allow for the temporary steam, and there's the line that's going to come right out of our new F8. So steam's on, working great. We had a shutdown this morning. Shortly, we'll begin the demo on F8, and the new vault will come right in the middle, right through. Great opportunity to see the south end of the tunnel. All right, we're on the south end of the Nave Catter Theater over in here. The tunnel that we've been inside, where it's tied into the new addition in the back in here. We look down the corridor. We told you where the pipes were going to get replaced in here. This is the actual end of it. So this steam project continues on. This talcum mix was the old insulation on the lines. These lines are in rough shape. All of the lines back in here get replaced through the summer on this project. Our south elevation, school's been out a month already. This is brand new and has been replaced. Our first section that was completed, the Route 95, or our east elevation, D building, we get a great chance to see the existing conditions right in through here, the demo and the abatement, asbestos on the caulking in here. It's all a process that has to happen. We'll come back to this elevation and look at the finishes. A nice chance to see how it looks in the demo stage. Great to be able to capture the different sequences. Here you get a chance to see from the demo complete portion to the frames in place portion. We're going to show you the glass, or what we call the glazing, in place next. And again, the rock scroll will go right down in through here. Pretty nice design. It's broken up. We have smaller panes, larger panes, smaller panes in the middle. It's really going to change the exterior look of the building. On E building, we can see the existing windows have come out down in through here. The new storefront, the frames are installed. The rocks roll down below. We'll keep an eye on this. That'll be spandrel glass in the future that blocks the view of the CMU. We can see the CMU at the top. Down below, they already have the rock swell. It's the type of insulation we use, the exterior walls there. The glazing has begun. We can see the two small panels on the top. Our history and the overhead, we talked about the new roofs. This section in here, we had the old hydronic panels that have been outdated, haven't worked in ages. Those have been demoed out. The rails will come out. The roof will come off. This again will be a new standing seam roof in this section right in here. Nice to catch in the middle of the demo process. We'll follow this through till completion. Lastly, for art history, the roofing project, boots on the ground, this cowl 45-degree roof system gets replaced. Great chance to catch it before it gets replaced. You can see the structure into it. All right, it's kind of the top surface of the panel is eroded away through the years. It's a special panel. It's supposed to be able to reflect the light away from instead of into the windows of the building in through there. Again, today is June 8, 2019, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.